Recently we did a video on snacking around the countries, and we've been asked just how much that would cost.
It is less than drinking around the countries.
Probably a lot less.
At least half.
So if you're interested in that video, click here.
For us, we split a lot of our choices, so we were able to try a lot of different things. And Christina, do you have that total as to what we spent, the two of us?
Yes, we spent right at $107 total between the two of us, so that's around $54 a piece.
That's not bad considering that we did a lounge in Mexico and we did a bit at Le Cellier. So that's not bad. If someone were by themselves or not sharing, they would maybe spend a little more than we did.
Yes, so probably close to $70, I guess, if they were going by themselves, $70, $80. But, of course, you could always just get, set yourself a limit at just $5 a country, and then it'd be $55.
Because in some countries, there are $3 options.
Yes.
And then in some countries, they're more expensive.
Like one of the things we didn't get in our snacking around the countries was the caramel popcorn in Germany, which is a really great option because the small one is only $4.
Oh, yeah. So then you've got $6 to spend in a different country.
Right.
So, yeah. So you can get out, what'd you say?
55.
An upper limit of 70. I think probably, because there are 11 countries.
Currently, there are 11 countries. So the most expensive things we got were like the fish and chips in the UK was $11.50.
And in Mexico, we got the trio, which was $17. So that was a considerable section of our, if we had just gotten a taco or something, it would have been a lot cheaper. Or churro.
Or just gotten chips and guacamole or something. But you have to watch our previous video to see why I'm saying that.
I mean, you could stop out there at the outside and get a churro. You could you could definitely do it.
They have those like loaded nachos out at that outside, and it's cheaper than $17. So we could have eaten cheaper.
$55 to $70 per person, probably.
It's a good experience to have. You get to try a lot of new things.
And we highly recommend it.
Yeah.
So if you like this video and want more like it, thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe.
And click that little bell so you know next time we post a video.
So until next time, she's Christina.
And she's Dawn.
And we'll see you then.